Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucia from Lushspaces, and today I want to talk about another garden design topic, and this is choosing the patterns. So if you have decided on the style of your garden that you want, and also on the features that you want to incorporate in your design and in your garden, and if you do remember, I shared a list of wants and needs in your garden as features in my previous videos, and you can also find it on my social media feed, so don't forget to check that out again. But now it's actually time to tackle the much more difficult task, as in incorporating the design and thinking about your own garden. And the chances are that your garden will be the wrong size or shape, or the situation will be inappropriate to the style that you so admire. But the way around this is actually to keep in mind the style that you want without actually trying to recreate it closely. So if you cannot visualize your back or front garden, for example, as this amazing Japanese style garden, it is possible just to include a Japanese feature as a kind of an element of a design within the more of a general scheme or design. So what are the starting points? If you were to analyze a successful garden design, you would find that it almost always falls within one of the three design patterns. And it is through a very clever planting and maybe iterations of the plants that we create almost always an individual design. So the first design pattern is a rectangular pattern, and most designers and more people are actually using this style without actually realizing them doing so. This device is very effective if you want to create a formal look, or if you wish to divide a long and narrow garden up into smaller sections. And here are some of the rectangular theme gardens. The second pattern is a circular pattern, and this one is very effective when you are trying to disguise a very predictable rectangular shape of a garden. So circular lawns, circular patios and also beds are all options, and you only need to overlap and interlock a few circles to create a stylish garden. And then plants fill in the gaps between the curved areas and the straight edges. Use compass, try different variations, different combinations, and also be prepared to play around with different radii and maybe overlapping the circles, so you can play around and create an attractive pattern. And here are some of the circular themed gardens. And last one is a diagonal pattern, and this design actually creates the illusion of space by taking the eye along and across the garden. So start by drawing grid lines at 45 degrees to the house or to the main fence, and then draw in the design using grid as a guide. And here you have some of the diagonal themed gardens. Lovely, so I really hope that was helpful. I am actually thinking about creating a video where I'm actually will be drawing and explaining how I will go or how I would go about the design, so it would be easier for you to see. So let me know if that is something that you would be interested in. And in the meantime, I'm looking forward to see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and thank you very much again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.